Hello there. What I want to show you now, having given you a brief intro into why and how to use YouTube for uploading videos for teaching, I want to just show you how to actually go about uploading it. So I've got YouTube open here, I've got my channel here, and remember this is my brand channel. In other words, this is not my personal channel, so students getting into this channel cannot see the videos that I'm viewing and commenting on in my free time. This channel exists purely for work. Okay, and in order to get into where you can upload your video, you click on Your Channel, then you click on Manage Videos. That takes you into YouTube Studio, which is the part of YouTube that handles videos. And then click on the dashboard over here, and here is your upload button. And what I've got in here is I've got the videos that I've been making up today. And I've got this video on Socrative, which I've not uploaded yet. And you just drag and drop it, and it will immediately start uploading it. So you can see down in the corner here, it's already uploading. Even while I'm deciding how to fill out this form here, it's uploading it in the background. Okay, so I've got the title here. It will take the file name by default. I'm just going to leave that. You can change it though to whatever you want. And I'm going to put a wee description in here that says an introduction to using Socrative for class activities. Now, thumbnails. It will pick one on its own. It will pick a clip from your video or a still image from your video, probably an unflattering one. So I'm going to just try uploading one, and I think what we'll do is we'll look in here, and here's just a nice one of a wave. If you have verified your email address with YouTube, then you're allowed to upload your own thumbnails. If you haven't, it won't let you. Okay, and it has in here the option of adding the video to a playlist, and I'll show you how you go about creating playlists in a minute. Okay, now down here you have to say, is it made for kids? Is it not made for kids? No, it's not, because if you say a video is made for kids, that puts a lot of legal restrictions on it. And you don't want that, especially with class videos. Sometimes students say sweary words, so don't claim it's made for kids. Alright, and just ignore this. You can add all these extra bits and pieces after the fact if you want to. And here we get to the important bit. Are you publishing this video as a private video, in which case you need to approve the email address of every individual person who's going to view it? That's laborious. Unlisted, this is what I usually do for class videos, so that means that you can only get into it if you have the link. And public. So I'm going to set this one as public because this video is not one that involves students, and I'm not bothered about whether I'm public or not, it's fine. Okay, and then we click publish. Okay, and if you go now into the content list, you can see your video. It's finished uploading it, and it's now in the process of processing it. YouTube it handles pretty much any video format in the world, and so that means it needs to take a little bit of time after you've uploaded it to process that into its own format and put it into all the different from low to high resolution versions. Okay, so that is this video uploaded, and I'll show you how to make a playlist. Okay, so when we're creating videos for students to access in order to do their revision, which is the kind of the point really of recording these videos, you don't want them to have to keep a list themselves of all the individual links. So the trick to dealing with that is to create a playlist. And these playlists can be public, they can be private, or they can be unlisted, the same way as the videos themselves. So you can create a playlist which is itself only accessible to someone who has the direct link. So here, for example, is a playlist for a particular class. So this class 35PC, they have been learning with me for quite some weeks now, and so they've got all their recorded videos in this playlist, and all of this class have been emailed this link here, and that gives them access to that playlist, and they can easily see all the videos that there are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a playlist for these videos for teaching tools. So let's see, we'll go back to, oops daisy, go back to playlists here, create a new playlist, teaching tools how to, and I'm going to go back to my content list, and I'm going to say I want to add Socrative, Poll Everywhere and YouTube One video. I want to add those all to the Teaching Tools How To playlist. Okay. And just one thing that I want to clarify is that, look at this, in your playlist page here, it says this one's public. If I want to, I can change that to unlisted, and then that's only accessible through this link. Okay.